guys, welcome back to my channel. Greetings from the Blue Mountains, and it's
a misty mountain morning.
no. What I'm saying is that it's my off today, and I will do a little bit of errands. Like, you guess what are those? I'm having my cup of tea, black tea, which is my favorite. No sugar, no milk. It's just plain black tea. Alright, the first thing that I'm going to do, I will bring the car to the mechanics, right?
Because it's got to have a service.
It's gonna, yeah, a good service because we are going to Canberra for a couple of days and it needs a good one. It's just really a messy car. It's been a while, we haven't washed the car.
Oh
Secondly, I will go to Westfield Plaza in Penrith. It's one of the biggest shopping mall in New South Wales. So it's gonna be a busy day for me, and I'm thinking I would having my haircut too. Look at my hair; it's kind of messy. It's been like 3 weeks, so it needs. I need a new haircut. Yeah.
So
So
you need a new head.
no haircut.
Oh, I thought you said you needed a new head.
No, what I didn't say that. So I'm just gonna finish my tea. I had all my tablets, everything, had a good shower, and just ready to go. Well, I think it's not a good weather today. Look, it's really misty.
no!
It's gonna be raining soon, I'm pretty sure. Alright guys, let's bring the car to the mechanics. It's raining now. Well, I just dropped the car here in the mechanics. As you can see at my background, it was really a scary drive, almost zero visibility, but I managed to drive. And now I'm heading to the train station, and I'll catch the train going to Penrith. So I'll see you there, guys. Well, we're just crossing the pedestrian. Look, it's so misty, really. You cannot even see the train station, guys. As you can see. And I'm gonna wait for another hour. I missed the train, the scheduled one earlier. So I'll just be sitting down inside the train station. But it's not cold. Surprisingly. So I'm gonna wait like 35 minutes for the next train.
Yeah, I know, I was at the party.
So this is the train line. Well, drivers are really clever when it comes to weather situation like this. So we're really safe traveling, going to our destinations. I'm inside the train now, guys, and yeah, I'll tour you inside, and if possible, I'll do a little bit of talking because I'm reluctant because there are a lot of words inside. Didn't want to be part of the vlog, so let's get into. The train composed of 2 levels, upper and lower. But I usually sit down in the upper level so that I can see the beautiful views while I'm catching the train going down to the city. exterior of the train. As you can see, just like you are inside the airplane. It's really beautiful, and you can see as well um, designated seats that you can sit on. Because of the pandemic, we are restricting the movements of the commuters or the passengers. I mean, they still like allowing in this carriage like 10 or 15 people, and we are also implementing to wear a mask, but I forgot mine. But I think it's not bad today. I think we are healing. Australia is healing when it comes to the COVID, so that's a good thing, and hopefully we can travel to other states soon because I really need a holiday. I arrived safely here in Penrith. Well, it's a bit cooler here, a bit gloomy. So the reason why I'm going to Penrith Plaza is to collect my partner's pair of jeans that has been altered. So I really don't know where it is, so I'm just gonna browse and I'll show you inside the mall. So I'm gonna use my Opal card to exit. So, and it costs like $6.89. My goodness, very expensive. So this is the Penrith station, guys, and that is the mall that I'm talking with. So let's go down and we cross the pedestrian anyway. I don't want to use the lift. I'm just gonna walk through this. So heading to the mall now. This is one of the famous resto bar here in Penrith. I've only been there once. We don't like it much because it's too crowded. But yeah, you can drink as much as you can inside, and a lot of Aussie wine in there. So here's the Westfield Penrith Plaza, and I think this would be, yeah, this is the alterations shop that are gonna get my partner's pair of jeans. At what time it opens? Yeah, it's here. It's close to the train station. So let's get inside. So this is the main entrance. You can see the lift. But we're gonna get the jeans that has been altered. I don't know if I can film inside. So this is actually the receipt. Yeah, let's get inside, guys. Just gonna press the bell. Yeah, good day, sir. I'm just gonna collect my partner's jeans. I think it's ready today.
26.5.
Yep. Well, the guy is really nice. Yeah, it costs like $75 for the three pair of jeans, and it's kind of expensive in Blacktown. It's much more cheaper because whenever I went there to alter my jeans, it's just like $10. So I'll give you a little bit of tour. So this is the inside the mall. As you can see, guys, there is a pedestrian in between the mall. It's really massive, as you can see, and I couldn't film much inside because I'm really, I don't want to be embarrassed again. But this is the exterior of the mall, and since I'm in here in Penrith, I'll give you a little bit of walk in this town. We are in the main street in Penrith, and you can see a lot of business establishments beside the mall. They're having banks in here, restaurants, resto bars, and everything that caters to everybody's needs. So guys, I'm here in the other train that will take us going to Blacktown because I'm having my haircut, and there is a Filipino resto in there. So after my haircut, I'm gonna have my lunch, and it's lunchtime anyway. So see you then. Here now in Blacktown, guys. Gonna buy my tablets first and have my haircut. So you can see some Filipino resto here and some other establishments. Yeah, that's a Filipino. And I'm heading to the chemist to have my tablets. So that's another Asian store, as you can see. I'm in the chemist right now, guys, and he's still dispensing my tablets. That's the barbershop. Well, it's a long queue. I don't want to wait. I might go with other barbershop. Since mahaba po ang pila, let's have lunch first. Kasi ayaw kong maghintay ang haba. Because there are only two staff in the shop. So I'm gonna go to the Filipino resto and might have some fish. Whatever. I'm just starving to death. I'm really gaining weight. Look at my face. I need to go back to my diet. Laing po.
Laing, anong kasama ng laing?
Isda po.
Anong gusto niya?
Yung fish po na malaki,
DJ?
hindi po kasama.
Kasama po yung DJ. Ito hindi. $12 yan.
Plus the rice.
Oo. Plus the rice, 15.
And yung GG po.
Ayan, kasama yan sa combo.
Opo.
Ano gusto mo dyan? To.
Yun po mas malaki.
Malaki. So, yes.
Alright guys, I've got Galunggong and coconut sauce. So I'm really happy guys. And lime. It's been a while. Sarap ng Galunggong. Alright guys, I just had my haircut and I like it. And it just takes time. Takes like an hour. Kasi madami po talaga nagpagupit. So, I'm heading back home and pack some more stuff that we're gonna bring to Canberra. So that's it for today. And if you haven't subscribed, please do po and smash the red bell icon below for more updates. See you guys. Don't forget to smile, it's free.